Good day! Ako po si Jackie Lu Blanco. Join me for the next 30 minutes as we find out how to stay healthier and more beautiful. According to the World Health Organization, there are two main causes of diseases: pathogens and toxins or free radicals. 10% ng mga kasalukuyang sakit ay nanggagaling sa pathogens. 90% ay nanggagaling sa toxins or free radicals. Diseases like heart attacks, cataracts, diabetes, cancer, at marami pang iba. Maya-maya, let's find out how to manage these diseases and how to prevent them. Ang pinakamatindi sa lahat ng antioxidants ay ang glutathione. Ito ang master antioxidant, immune booster, detoxifier, and it gives you smoother and fairer skin. Ano ba talaga ang glutathione? Uses of glutathione: master antioxidant, detoxifier, substance that neutralizes harmful molecules called free radicals in the body. Major detoxification agent, binds to toxins such as heavy metals, solvents, and pesticides, and transforms them into a form that can be excreted in urine, bile. Essential for the functioning of the immune system. Helps in preventing cancer, especially liver cancer. Helps maintain the strength of RBC and protecting WBC. Let's listen to what the experts have to say about glutathione and its amazing effects.
Itong glutathione, normally it exists in our body. Kaya lang, habang tumatanda ang isang tao, at a certain age, sabihin natin 30 or 40, bumabagsak yung amounts ng glutathione sa ating katawan. Especially those who are frequently or repeatedly exposed to unhygienic environment. Pangalawa dito, if your purpose is for skin whitening, ang kailangan dito, mas higher yung dosage niya. Example natin yung 50 kilos na tao. Ibig sabihin, ang kailangan niya is 1,000 milligrams of glutathione per day.
I've heard about glutathione before, that Regine Velasquez is taking it. But when my husband asked me, you try taking glutathione, I was hesitant at first. So I said, I don't like it. No, it's just an antioxidant.
I've done some research about glutathione, and it is one of the best anti-aging antioxidants available in the market. Since glutathione has two side effects. If you double the dose, it is skin whitening, but if you just take it once a day, it is also anti-aging. Since many of my friends are using it, so I recommend it to my wife.
So I tried it for 2 months. Oh, yummy, you're glowing. Really? What are you taking and what's your makeup? They were asking me. I said, no, I'm just taking glutathione. Kasi nakita nila effect, talagang it works. Aside from smoothness ng skin, nag-glow-glow ka, tapos parang parati kang energetic. Mother ako ng 2 anak. I have a business too to attend to. Basically, sa physical aspect, emotional, parang hyper ba?
I have a 9-month-old child. Since she is still breastfeeding, I noticed that after about 1.5 months of use, my wife became fairer, my daughter also became fairer.
Maitim talaga siya, hindi yan yung dati. Tapos talagang, since I'm breastfeeding, tapos antioxidant lang naman siya, sabi ng husband ko, safe naman yun. Tapos eto ngayon yung picture, nag-glow-glow talaga, even my baby, oh. Talagang, even my friends notice, uy, ang puti na ni Tony. Walang formula milk ang anak ko up to this time. So, talagang nagbe-breastfeeding ako. So, talagang nakikita nila na pumuti si Tony, tsaka nag-glow-glow yung itsura niya. Yan, no? Glutathione, 500 milligrams. Beware. Kasi yung iba, mababang dosage lang. Minsan, 100 milligrams lang. Minsan, 250. So, you would take more. Siguro 6 or 8 tablets. Whereas dito, 2 to 3 tablets is okay.
Before, my friends used to call me Baluga. I was really dark. At the start, I was skeptical. Sabi ko, baka naman nag-bleach lang yung mga users dyan, kaya maputi. And then, after a year of taking glutathione, I'm half of my original color. Those people who know me before, they really ask me, oh, Frank, nag-abroad ka ba? Sabi ko, no. Why? Wow, ang ganda na ng kutis mo. So it's really very helpful on my part. I gain my self-confidence. My job is I face people, I conduct lecture nationwide. That is from Apari to Hulo. So I'm very proud to say I'm very thankful to glutathione.
Ayan, narinig na po natin ang iba't ibang benepisyo ng glutathione. And when we speak of glutathione, one of the most effective and trusted brands is Vaniderm.